Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making a concentrated green puree because color and flavor depend on it. Combine spinach and cilantro with a splash of water and blitz until silk smooth. This gives you an even tint without watering down the rice. Once done, tear cold rice apart with your fingers so grains don't clump. Heat a large wok until it's very hot, add 1 tablespoon oil, and immediately move into stir-frying so the rice picks up heat instead of steaming. You'll now lock in flavor and color by working fast. Sear crushed garlic and thinly sliced shallot for just 30 to 45 seconds so they brown but don't burn. That gives depth. Add the cold, separated rice, spread it into a single layer so moisture evaporates and grains heat through. Then, pour the green puree in a thin stream while tossing. This prevents clumping and ensures each grain takes color. Make sure to keep the wok hot so the rice fries, not steams. You finish by seasoning and adjusting texture. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons soy sauce for umami and a half teaspoon sesame oil for shine. Toss quickly to distribute. If using egg, push rice aside, scramble 1 beaten egg, then fold it in. If vegan, toss in cubed pan-fried tofu. Once mixed, taste and add salt or acid if needed. If the rice turns soggy, make sure the pan is very hot and spread the rice thin to evaporate moisture. That rescues limp rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.